Hey everybody, so we're gonna do some work on the Jeep today. We got back from the Outer Banks last week. We were out there for an entire week driving through the sand. The paint's not too bad in most spots, but this door is absolutely rough. I mean, just rough. So we're gonna clean her up, probably polish her out. I'm gonna have to clay bar it again, so we'll get some video of that. But right now, we mixed up some citrus washing gloss, and we're gonna go ahead and clean her up real quick and get started. Alright, so we've washed it, we've rinsed it off. But I want to show you something real quick. So, water is not supposed to stick to your paint. It's supposed to beat up and run down, right? So now you can kind of see on my door versus my window. But the windows are actually still really good. But the paint on the doors, you'll see the difference of how the water actually kind of sticks and slowly moves down. Now you're going to notice that the windows have already all beaded up and it's running right off. But the door, you can still see the massive water and it's slowly pulling itself down. And it's slowly moving. Same thing on this door. I mean, this door's not moving at all. I mean, it's just straight water. So that's when you know that you need to paint protect your paint, right? So what we're going to have to do here is we're going to have to use some of the V36 cutter polish. We're probably going to have to buff the whole thing out, polish it up. I'll probably use little black lights on it. And then I'm going to seal it all again with M-Seal. And I'll probably top it with some butter wet wax, depending on how far I get with it today.